All right, this week we are going to review some division. So let's go over how to divide using a ratio table to help you. So here we've got 368 divided by 16. So I'm going to write the problem over here. All right, so when I'm setting up my ratio table, I want to think of my main numbers here. I know that 1 times 16 is 16. I know that 10 times 16 is 160. So if I know what 10 is, to figure out what 5 times 16 is, I could split this one in half, which would give me 80. All right, so I've got 1, 10, and 5 right now, so I'm going to do 15 for my next one because all I would have to do is add up these two numbers. Since 10 plus 5 is 15, all I have to do is add up 160 plus 80, and in this case, it's going to give me 240. All right, now I'm still not close to the number 368, which is what I'm dividing by over here. So I want to figure out what 20 times 16 is. And one way I could do that is I could multiply 160 times 2. Or I could add 80 to this 240. Both are going to give me 320. So I have a pretty good ratio table here. So let's start working over on the side. So 16 goes into 368 at least 20 times. Because 20 times 16 is 320. So now I'm going to subtract and I'm going to get 48. Now 48 is a smaller number, so I could keep adding 16. We see that 5 times 16 is too much. That's 80. So we probably should sneak in a 2 times 16 over next to the 1, but I'm going to do it down here. Okay, so 2 times 16, I have that right here. That's going to be 32. So that's pretty close to 48. So I'm going to say 16 goes into 48 at 2 times. I'll subtract my 32. And I'm going to have 16 left. Well, that one's easy. We know that 16 goes into 16 one time. So now, to find my answer, I need to add up all three of these numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 20 is 23. And that is my answer, and that is what you are going to do today to solve your division problems. If you need any help, come see me on Zoom tomorrow at 11:30.